Today, we're diving into a fun and creative feature of your Apple Watch, sharing your custom watch faces with friends and family. Share watch faces from Apple Watch. From your Apple Watch, press and hold on the clock until the watch face picker appears. Tap the Share icon next to the Edit button. Select Complications if you want to include data or not. Enter the name of the contact you wish to send the watch face to. Add message if you want, and tap Send. And that's it. Your custom watch face is now on its way. Share watch faces from iPhone. Open the Watch app on your iPhone. Select the watch face you want to share under My Faces. Tap the Share icon in the top right corner. First, tap on Options and select the Complications. Once ready, tap Done. Choose where you want to send the watch face: Messages, Mail, AirDrop, or any other option available. Tap Send, and your watch face is shared. If you come across a watch face link, that watch face file, through social media or from your friends, on the iPhone that is paired with your Apple Watch, tap the shared watch face link. Tap Allow, confirming that you want to download the watch face. After the Watch app is opened, tap Add to My Faces. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.